So let's talk about the service marketplace, SAP marketplace here. So using this SAP marketplace, we can create a ticket with the SAP. We can view the existing cases, the status, the software downloads, and also we can create the other yes user IDs and everything. We can create it who are the new to our team. We can create the S user IDs here. So right, we can generate the keys, license keys here, and also we can open the remote connection to the respective systems here. Remote connections to the respective systems. Suppose SAP, sometimes we are also unable to fix the issues. We are also unable to fix the issues. So sometimes we may have to open the case with SAP, ticket with SAP. That time SAP support engineer, so they will log into our system. So they will log into our system from their side. How they will log in from our side? There is a SAP router in the router side. So we have to maintain all the server details and everything. Then we have to open the connection, then they will log into our system here, right? So this is the new one, access SAP for me. So for the maintenance planner, we have seen this one. So for generating the maintenance planner, so maintenance planner, so some other system provisioning to install. For that purpose, we will use the access SAP.me.com. So this is the creating the tickets. Suppose we are unable to fix the some issues in the SAP system. Even if any issues, functional team or user team or developers, they will contact the basis team, right? They will contact the basis team here. Even the basis team is also unable to fix the issue, then we can just report the new issue here. We can create the new ticket here. Just we can create the new ticket here. So in the new ticket here, so we can fill the form here. All the forms we can fill it here, right? So what is the system description? So language description, language. Then we can go for, we can continue. Then we can continue. Then we will get the, so ticket will be created here. So this way we can create the new ticket here, right? Just the description, issue description, subject line description, more details. If any screenshots, we can attach it. Then if you just select the component, what is the right color select system, and what is the issue, the recommendation will come. Based on that, we can create the ticket in our systems. So that is the one thing in our case here we can do. The second one is the view cases. View cases means we can, after you raising the ticket, if you want to check the status of the ticket here, then how it is the in progress by SAP, or so it is the in progress by SAP or sent to SAP. So what is the exact is the customer action. There are the multiple status here. Customer action. Customer action means it's pending from our side here. Customer action means, so pending from our side means our action here. Customer action here. So customer action is pending from our side here. So SAP in progress. In progress means it's a in progress by SAP. SAP is working. Send it to SAP. It's sent it to SAP. SAP is not acknowledged here. Then so confirmed. Sometimes it is a confirmed status. It means the SAP is completed. That is means completed means SAP fixed that issue here. Then closed. We can close the ticket from our end here. Sometimes sent to partner. Sent to partner here. Partner means, so they are the partners. Unix, Linux, they are partners. So they will send to the Unix, Windows team their cases. So they will send it to the partner here. So these are the status of the tickets here. So those status we can find out from the view cases sheet here. In the view cases, we can find out the status here and everything here. Software downloads, we know, right? So how to download the softwares. So SAP softwares. So all those things we know. If we go to the software downloads here, then we will come to know here how to download the softwares. So you will get the downloading the softwares, installation softwares, packages, anything from SAP related, any patch or note or anything, we can download it from the here. Installation and upgrades, then support packs and the databases. If you have to download any other databases, you can download it. Installations and packages, installation and upgrades. So anything if you want to download, you can download all the softwares here, right? Users creation. So this is SC user ID's creation. Normally we won't know, only administrator has access to this one to create the SC user IDs for the other users here. Request keys, license keys. So if you want to download the licenses, if you want to download the licenses here, So system licenses, or if you want to renewal the licenses, so then you can just go to the based upon the your hardware key, based upon the hardware key. So we can generate the license here. Just to go to the license keys, we can generate the license here. And developer keys. Sometimes developer keys means sometimes developers, our developer, they are trying to change the SAP standard objects. So if any developer or anyone wants to change the SAP standard data, SAP standard objects, they want to change it, they need the down key. They need the developer key here. So they will get the developer key. Sometimes they will only register it, or sometimes they may ask basis team to get you the developer key here. Then we will go to the here developer key and object keys here, developer key and object keys here. We will request the keys. We will request the keys here. We will go to the here, right? So here we will just username, what is the object, what is the system. So all those things we will register it from here. Just click on the register, then click on the register button here. It will ask the list of user IDs here. Then installation number, means which system is doing the, then just click on the register. It will generate the one key here. One key, it will generate it here. That is called the developer key. It will generate the one key here, right? That is the developer keys here. So then object keys, object keys. So for developer, the one developer access key is required here. Object, suppose that person want to change something in our system here, in our system. So that time also we need to go to the here, what is the program, what is the program ID, what is the release, what is the object. Just click on the register button, then it will generate the one key here, one registration key, it will generate it. So if any person, they want to do the some development, they want to do the some changes of the object, then programs, then they need the one developer key and object keys are required here. So right, so that we can do it from the here in the keys, in the request keys section. We can download the all those things, license keys, developer keys, migration keys, everything. We can do that one. The next one is the manage remote connections here. Manage remote connections here. So sometimes they can ask us to logs. SAP team will ask us the logs. We can provide it, but sometimes they want to log into our system here. So if anyone wants to log into our system, what we will do? We will provide the remote connections. It will give the list of connections, list of systems. It will be displayed here. List of systems will be displayed here. Then go to the select the system. Then select the system here. Just click on the, just to open the connection. We have the types of connections are there here. R3 connection, HTTP connection, WTS connection. There the types of connections are there here. You can see here, there are the types of connections are there here. R3 connection, HTTP connection, whether they want to log in through browser, then so VNC connection. So HANA connection, they want to connect to the HANA databases. So either they want to connect to the Windows server, they want to connect to the PuTTY, they want to do the SSH connection. So how they want to connect to our system. So this is the R3 connection, means they will log in through the browser. So this type of connection we can create it. We can open the connection here. Close the connection means that connection will be closed. Open the connection means the connection will be opened here. The connection will be opened here. This way we can create the connection and we can open the connection here, right? So why we have to do these connections? So why? What is the importance here? So sometimes we are also unable to log in. All this is the all our system. This is the all our systems are in the our on-premise systems, so like our customer network. So ECC, BW, all are our on-premise systems here. So SAP has their own network, right? They have their own network here. Their own. This is the SAP team where they have provided the hardwares, softwares, packages, support, license, everything they will provide to the customer. They're not only one customer, they have the hundreds of thousands of lakhs of customers there. They have to support it here. So they are the teams, dedicated teams are, so hundreds of people are available to support it here. So if you have any issue, then customer means we are the customer. This is the SAP team here, SAP vendor team who is providing the softwares to us. Those are the vendors here, right? There's a vendor team here. So we are the customers here, right? We are the customer team here. We are in the customer network, they're in the SAP network. How they can connect to the us, right? they cannot connect it here. So that's why what we will do here. So we will install the router here. In our organization, we will install the SAP router. SAP router, SAP router, we will install it here. In the router, we will maintain all our system details, all our systems, we will connect it. We will maintain all our system IP details and everything in the router here, right? So in the router, we will maintain it here, and in the service marketplace, we will maintain this router, and we will open the connection. We will maintain it here. Then, so SAP support engineer is here. SAP support engineer is here. So suppose when we call to the service desk, how we will navigate to us to fix the issue? Same way, instead of he is navigating, he want to log into our system. Like suppose like one of the ECP system, you want to log in. Then so he will ask us which system you have the issue. Then we will give that system number, right? Then he will log into that system, but that system connection should be opened here. That system, this is our ECP system. Just example, this is our ECP system. So there is a R3 connection. You want to log into the system. So in the service marketplace, R3 connection should be open. Then only here the user will connect through via router. He will connect to our on-premise SAP system. So the connection should be open status here. The connection should be open status here. Then only we will connect to our system. If the connection is closed, we cannot connect to our system here. So you cannot connect to the system. So that's why SAP support person, they will ask us to open the connection. SAP support person, they will ask us to open the connection here. SAP support person, they will ask us to open the connection so that we can open the connection. So then when they want, we can close the connection here. So those things we can perform it from here. So right. So remote connections, we can open it and we can close it here. Open it and we can close it in the systems here. So that is the what. So we can do it in the systems in the service marketplace. Normally, open the connection, close the connection. So that is our responsibility. And if they want to generate the license keys or object keys, we will generate it, downloading the softwares and everything, then raising the ticket with SAP. These are 4 or 5 tasks is our responsibility to perform in the service marketplace. So this marketplace ID, S user ID, once you join the organization, the administrator of the company or your team, they will go ahead and create the users for you. You will get the S user ID, then organizational email ID, it will be associated. Then, so you will able to open the service marketplace here. Service support portal here. This is the things we need to do it in the systems here. Got it? Any questions? Anyone? So what you can do now?